Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. So guys, we are here with another opportunity. If you're watching this video, you are lucky. Make sure you join immediately after watching the video until the end to understand the whole thing. Okay, and again, if you're new on my channel, my name is Cynthia. You are all welcome. Make sure you subscribe. You people, this is a new channel. It is the same me. If you're watching, don't just watch. Make sure you subscribe to get more videos. And again, put notification bell for future videos. You can see, guys, if you use the link that I'm gonna provide on the comment section, I'm also going to put our WhatsApp group link where I give updates. So make sure you join us, and there you can talk to me directly inbox. So you can see you're gonna get 10 mock token for free, and this the value of 10 mock token is $5.47 in it means that one mock token is equal to 54 cents. Okay, so guys, you can see complete the simple social task and claim your free mock token. I shared this in my group, that is WhatsApp group, very early in the morning today, because I really needed you guys to join as early as possible before the opportunity limits us out, because it has limit. You can see it is limited time airdrop. It is an airdrop, so all of you can go for it. So before that, let me show you the things that, okay, some of the things you are supposed to do. And at the same time, let me show you, I claimed mine, so it's real. Okay, so yesterday, guys, I managed to claim mine. You can see live P2P network. Guys, this is not a scam. This is, it's a good project. It has future. You can see this is the first time I claimed it. I took a screenshot so that I can share with you guys. You can see I claimed it and it worth 5.47 USD. So you can see P2P network is live. You can send, you can receive, you can buy, you can exchange. Okay, so you can see this one, I claimed it. Congratulations, you have received 10. And this only comes after you've done the task. There are, I think, 4 tasks. I'm going to take you through, because you have to pay attention to that, and you have to have Twitter accounts. So you can see claim 10 more for free. And guys, it is real. Okay, it is real. It is real. It is real, guys. It is real. So these are the kind of tasks you're gonna need. You're gonna tick all of them. Okay, so with Twitter, it doesn't have a circle. You see the shape is different. You're supposed to tick, so you have to follow them. You have to repost, you have to join, you have to join again, and then click claim to register. I was in claim the 10 more token, and this can only happen after you have registered. So when, for the first time, when you click on the link, it will take you to this page. Let me show you now. It will take you to this page. Okay, where this first time you're gonna click on the link. Listen to me, guys, you need this. You're gonna be taken to this page where you're going to be told limited time airdrop, claim 10 more free, the value and the mock price, the current price. Okay, so complete the simple social task and claim your free mock token. Invite friends to earn 10 mock. Wow, that is a good and a big opportunity to everyone who can share their link. It's optional though. You can also earn with other ways, but if you can share your link with your friends, your family, your cousins, even your boyfriends and girlfriends, okay, even your mummies, because nowadays we have digital mamas and digital uncles plus grandmothers, grandfathers. Okay, you can share with them. Okay, and even your children, if you have children. Okay, even your husband. So you can see, guys, you have to perform this task, but you have, okay, the first thing you're gonna see is this. Listen to me, you're gonna see this, but the main thing you're gonna do here, okay, so you're gonna tap on here, tap on here, tap on here, tap on here, and that comes after registration. Because if you do that, if you do all these tasks before registering, because this is the first time you are logging into this account, or you are using this website, you're gonna click on login to complain. Log in to claim. Which complain? So how can you claim something that you don't even have account for? So you have to create account first. So you're gonna click on if you gonna click on this, they're gonna show you this. Okay, so you don't go for login, go for register. Guys, listen to me. Register is down here. You're gonna go for register right here. So tap on the register option. If you tap on it like this, make sure you put your username, something that you can remember, email address, password, then referral code, optional. But for you to get that, for you to get the 10 mock token, guys, make sure you use the referral code I'm talking about. Copy it. You're gonna get it on the comment section. Copy it, then paste it here. Copy it, paste it here, then click on create account. Okay, guys, make sure you use that code. I'm saying make sure you use that code for you to grab the opportunity. So after that, I'm gonna click on create account. And if you go to home, so let us go to home. I want to show you something. Let us go back. Then you're gonna claim I'm gonna click on back to home so that I can go to my account. So I'm gonna click on login because already I have the account. Okay, so let me, it's like I've forgotten my password. So I've tried many times putting the wrong password until my account is locked and I can just access it maybe after 15 minutes. So then let me just continue with the video. I want to show you what you're supposed to do. So after you log into your account, you're gonna go to home. Then you'll be able to see claim 10 mock for free. So you're gonna click on this button here. I don't know. So this is what I used yesterday. I took some screenshots yesterday. So make sure you go for it. Then after that, make sure you tick everything. Like here, you're supposed to like here. Challenge is here. Challenge is this point here. You see this shape here, just tap on it after following, then tap on this to tick, tap on this to tick, tap on all of them to tick, then click on login to claim. That is after registration. I think I'm so clear, guys. Then you go to home, go to P2P, go to everything. I'll do another video being that my account is now suspended. I cannot do more videos, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. I'll do video about this again.